It's not simple to say that most days I don't recognize me in these shoes and this apron. This place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true I was never attention's sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken, but won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up, baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. And it's not what I asked for. Sometimes life slips in through the back door and carves out a person and makes you believe it's all true. Now I got you. You're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over, rewrite an ending or two for the girl that I knew who'd be reckless just enough, who'd get hurt, but learns how to toughen up. And she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. And then she'll be stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day, till finally reminds her to fight just a little and bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone, but she used to be mine. Used to be mine. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.